Everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to check for the update if you want to install iOS 17 but with this type of error in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the third scan. You have turn it on. After that, go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the third scan. You have turn it off. And after that, scroll down and click on General, and from here click on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back and scroll down and click on date and time, and from here turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do, turn on this toggle, and after that go back and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do, disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.